What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about 2 online typing jobs to earn money from home. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. There are many ways that you can make money online, but as I said earlier on in this video, we'll focus on how to make money online by typing. So the first site that we use to make money online by typing is called ProBlogger. So when you come to ProBlogger, on their homepage, you can see they have many materials and tools that you can use to make money in different ways. You can get materials that will help you to start a blog or make money blogging or able to create content. But in this video, as we stated earlier on, we focus on how to make money online by typing. So let's go to the job site. So we click on jobs. So on the job page, you can see there are various posts that are being listed here. So you can just go through the post to see the one that is fit for you. Then you apply, and if you are accepted, then you go on with it. So let's just go through. You can see here paying $15 per hour for a content editor, and here some of these posts or jobs are focused on a particular country or countries. As you can see, this job, they are focusing on United States or United Kingdom, but most of these posts or these jobs are worldwide. So when you scroll down, you could see some that are worldwide. Let's say like this: experienced doc writer required. This is a worldwide job, so you can just go through and see the one that you see that is good for you, then you apply. So let's just go with this. Persuasive content writer, you can make $200 or $300 per article. So let's just click and see what are the requirements. So here, location anywhere in the world. Here, job type freelancer, category blog or article writing. Here, the description, you can just read the description or read about the company that are hiring. And here are the skills and responsibilities. These are the process. So our process is a bit different. Here is how it works. Every week or bi-weekly, we'll have a Zoom or Skype call. So you just read it to see, and this is the compensation. We'll be paying $100 to $150 per 1,000 words. Most of the articles will be in the 1,500 or 2,500 words range. That means on an average for every article you will earn around $200 to $300. So as they have said here clearly, your work does not require a lot of editing, then we will pay more, otherwise less. Sooner or later, we want every writer that works with us to earn $300 per article. So you could just go through it and see if it's fit for you, then you apply. How to apply, this is how to apply, then you apply. When you have been accepted, you are likely to pay $200 or $300 per an article. So let's go to the second site. The second site that we'll use to make money online by type is Fiverr. So when you come to Fiverr, first of all you have to do is to sign up. I've already logged in because I don't have an account with them. So you just sign up. After signing up, it will take you to your home page. So on this home page, but Fiverr works differently compared to ProBlogger. On Fiverr, what you have to do, you have to post your gig or your service that you are rendering out. So if people are interested in it, then they will purchase the service. So in this situation, let me just give you an example. Let's click typing. Since we are focused on how to make money online by typing, so let's just click typing. So on typing here, you can see other people have posted their service. If you are a beginner and you want to also use Fiverr to make money online by typing, what you have to do is to go through in some of these services. When you go through some of these services, you will have a clear understanding of how it works. Then you can also follow the procedure that they have used to able to post their service out there. So here you could see here, this service, I will do all your typing work in under 24 hours. So this is about the gig that he's offering. These are the services. What do I provide? Just go through and read and see the requirement that the person is offering. And here you could see the basic. This is the basic. It starts with $5. The standard is $10, and the premium is $15. So you can just go through this site to check on 1 or 2 services that is towards your field, which is the typing job. Then you can also create a similar thing and also post your gig there. So if people are interested in it, they will purchase your service. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.